Today we're learning BODMAS. Let's begin. Let's see why having a fixed order is important. Here's an example that shows the problem. One student subtracts first. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Another student divides first. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 12 minus 2 is 10. Two different answers show why we must all follow the same rule. The rule we follow is called the order of operations, often shown as BODMAS. It helps everyone solve expressions in a clear and consistent way. BODMAS means brackets first, then orders like squares, then division and multiplication, and finally addition and subtraction. Let's apply this rule with some examples. Here's a short expression to get us started. Using BODMAS, we first focus on the multiplication first. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Now the expression is simply 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 equals 18. Great. Now let's try a slightly longer expression. Now let's try a longer expression and solve it step by step. According to BODMAS, we begin with the brackets. 10 minus 5 is 5, so we replace that part. Next, we handle division. 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 becomes 5. Now we multiply the remaining numbers. 5 times 2 equals 10. Excellent. Now let's review the key ideas. BODMAS gives us the correct order to solve expressions step by step. Division and multiplication are handled from left to right. Addition and subtraction also go from left to right. Brackets always come first. They show what to solve before anything else. Try solving this expression on your own. Think about which operation comes first. Here's the solution. 18 divided by 3 is 6, and 6 minus 2 makes 4. Great work. Let's try one more. Here's another one for practice. Pause for a moment and think about which step happens first. Let's check the answer. 4 times 3 is 12, and 7 plus 12 is 19. Awesome work! You're getting better at solving expressions every day. Great job today. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.